Good morning, dear students. Class 12 Physical Education Unit 1st. In last video lecture, we were talking about different kinds of tournament. So, one of the tournaments is league or round robin tournament. So, today we will discuss some more different kinds of tournaments. So, that is D number is league or round robin tournament. League tournament is also named as round robin. So, in such tournament, every team has to play with every other team, irrespective of win or defeat or draw. This tournament is best type of tournament because it provides the maximum number of opportunities to show the best performance. Thus, real winner can be picked up easily at the end. So, this league tournament is also called round robin tournament. And in this tournament, every team has to play with every other team irrespective of win or defeat or draw. And this tournament is the best type of tournament. This is the best tournament of all tournaments because it provides the maximum number of opportunities. So this tournament, league tournament, provides maximum number of opportunities to the player. So that's why it is a best tournament to show the best performance, and thus real winner can be picked up easily at the end. And who is the real winner can be picked at the end very easily. So league tournament is played in various forms like single league tournament, second is double league tournament, combination type tournament. So these are the league tournament, kinds of league tournament. And what are the advantages of league tournament? So you can see here many advantages of league tournament. First is the ample opportunity. Means ample opportunity in league tournament, every team has to play with every other team. Thus it provides ample or maximum opportunity. Means this league tournament provides maximum opportunity to the player to show their talent. True winner. League tournament helps to provide the true or real winner at the end, and thus deserving team come up strongly. The next is the improves the performance. This league tournament improves the performance. It provides good experiences to team to overcome their lacking, thus help to improve performance. Means it provides or it improves the performance of the player. Skilled selection. League tournament helps to provide good selection of players of or teams. Next is that provide ranking. Means league tournament provides ranking. At the end of league tournament, every team gets the ranking. Thus they can evaluate themselves. So when any player is provided ranking, he can evaluate himself or the players can evaluate themselves. Players' interest. Good players develop interest and show high performance. In this league tournament, the good players develop their interest and they can show their high performance. And some demerits are given here of league tournament. So what are the demerits of league tournament? Time consuming. So this league tournament is time taking. It consumes the time. As the number of matches are more, thus more time consuming. Large arrangement. League tournament requires large amount of arrangement like more playground, more officials, more finance, etc. Next is the less interest of spectators. Spectator is here beholders or onlookers, means audience. So less interest of spectators. In this kind of tournament, the spectators show their less interest. In league tournament, spectators also show less interest, demoralize weak team, and this kind of game means league tournament. It demoralize weak team. In this tournament, weak team often lose interest due to respected loss of matches and get psychologically demoralized. Dear students, next is knockout fixture procedure. In knockout tournament, a team continues to play further matches as per schedule till defeated, and a team gets eliminated to play further if defeated or loses. In this tournament, only the victorious team is allowed to play further matches, and until one team emerges as winner. In knockout tournament, number of the matches are one less than the number of teams, like number of matches n minus 1, whereas they are equal to number of teams for deciding the best 3 position. In knockout tournament, sometimes byes are given to adjust the fixture as well as to give privilege to teams to play in the next round of matches. Here byes, what is bye? Bye is a sort of privilege to a team. It is a kind of privilege to a team. A team that is given bye does not play in the first round. Bye is an opportunity to play the match in the higher round without playing in the lower round. Here bye, it is a kind of privilege, and it doesn't play first round. It plays the lower round, not higher round. These are given to adjust the fixture as well as to give privilege to teams to play in the next round. It is only given in the knockout tournament. Byes are given only in the knockout tournament. Bye is also a necessity to complete the draw. Next is seeding fixture procedure. Seeding means placing the good teams, previous position holder, at beneficiary places. Seeding is to placing a good team at beneficiary places. It is given in the knockout fixture. In simple words, seeding is a placing the good team at privileged places in fixture so that they should not compete at initial round according to tournament rules or up to quarter final. Seeding improves the knockout fixture as it prevents good teams from clashing at earlier rounds, whereas weak teams get eliminated. Here seeding method is given. Next is league fixture procedure. This tournament is also named as round robin. In such tournament, every team has to play with every other team irrespective of win or defeat or draw. In league tournament, every team has good opportunity to come back. Skilled selection can be done. True winner can be found, and other team also get the ranking. This tournament has demerits like more time are required, more amount of funds, more organizers are required, large level of arrangements are required. Repeated defeated team may lose interest of players, more tiring for players. And this league tournament is played in various forms: single league tournament, double league tournament, and combination type tournament. In league matches, the scoring is complicated, where data of each team is maintained, like number of matches, won, lost or draw. The winner of match is awarded 2 points, for loss no point. For draw, 1 point is awarded. Afterward, final score is compared to decide winner. Single league tournament. In single league tournament, every team has to play with every other team only once. In single league tournament, every team has to play. Means in this tournament, every team plays with every other team only once. In such tournament, large number of matches one played which are calculated by formula. Here formula is giving n means number of teams into number of team minus 1 upon 2. For instance, let us consider there are 12 teams. So therefore number of matches are 12 into 12 minus 1. So 12 is here number of team, number of matches, and upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Then 12 into 11 upon 2. Then 132 upon 2 is equal 66 matches. Next is double league tournament. In double league tournament, large number of teams are grouped into small groups. The top few teams of each group play another league round with the top teams of other groups. This tournament is very helpful when there is large number of teams, as it reduces the number of matches. For instance, 15 teams are grouped into two groups, group 1 and group 2. In group 1 there will be 8 teams. In group 2 there will be 7 teams. So group matches with 8 teams equal 8 into 7 upon 2 is equal 56 upon 2 and 23 matches. And group 2, group matches with 7 teams, 7 into 6 upon 2. It is equal 42 upon 2 and 21 matches. So top 2 team of each group have to play super second league round, or 4 team will play in super round, super second league. See here, the number of matches in super second league round 4 into 3 upon 2, 12 upon 2 is equal 6 matches. Thus total number of matches in double league tournament 23 plus 21 plus 6 is equal 50 matches, whereas 120 matches in single league tournament. Next is ladder tournament. This tournament is also known as challenge tournament. Ladder tournament is used to give ranking in individual games like boxing, judo, tennis, table tennis, badminton, etc. In this, players are given ranking from their previous performance. If any player is unsatisfied with his ranking, he can challenge the higher ranked player and replace the ranking if he wins. A player cannot jump ahead to challenge top ranked player, and player has to proceed step by step in the given time of tournament. So here you can see example of ladder tournaments. Next is intramural. This word intramural is combination of two Latin words, intra and mural, where intra means inside and mural means within the walls. Thus intramural means the combination of competition within the walls of the institution. In these activities, the students of the institution are divided into various groups known as houses. They compete for various activities of intramural in their houses within the campus. The motive of intramural activities, it brings mass participation, developing the interest towards physical activities and developing the caliber of organizing programs of intramural by students. So some objectives of intramural given here. Mass participation. The prime objective of intramural is to bring mass participation in the activities. Mass participation means large amount of participation in the activities. Second is to identify talent. Its objective is to identify the talent of the student. One of the activities of intramural is to identify the new talented student for higher activities. Third is to create interest, and its objective is to create interest. Intramural develops and creates the interest in students to develop social value. It provides a healthy atmosphere to compete and develop social values. And next is organizational ability in students. Intramural helps to develop the leadership and organizational ability in students. So significances of intramural tournament are important for physical, mental, emotional and social development of students. Stress is laid on moral and ethical values necessary for the development of health of children. Manages aggression, provides recreation, provides opportunities to students to participate in games and sports, and last is help to develop leadership qualities among the students.